In this video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments using Typeform. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com and make sure to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started, it's free option, or clicking onto this Sign Up option that we can see right here. So just choose right here how you want to sign up. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log into mine by clicking onto this Login option. Now here is what my dashboard looks like. In order to collect payments with Typeform, you need to add a payment question to your form and connect your Stripe account. So for this part, just head over and open the form that you want. And it's typically on to the last question. So let's add another question based on this. So for this case, let's proceed to add one more. And to the last page, you can proceed to add a content by clicking onto this Add Content option. And you should be able to see in here this. Click onto the search and search in here for payment. And you can see right here this. Proceed to click onto this, the content right there, and you can see this payment element already added. With this, people can pay using their card or Apple Pay or Google Pay, however they want it to be. So this will serve as your 11th question right here. So after that, you can just proceed to connect your actual details from to this part, and into this will be added. Now onto the right hand side bar, you should be able to see the question and you can see this connect the Stripe option. So for this, click on the disconnect option that will appear. Click on the disconnect with Stripe and then this will redirect you to a new tab wherein you will be connected to Stripe. Just need to input your details and accurately log in into your Stripe account. So input right here details, click on submit and then log into your Stripe. After you have done that, you should be able to just configure your payment details. After adding the payment question and connecting your Stripe, you should be able to use it now. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.